Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the Citroen C4 Picasso front wiper motor. Starting off, we'll need to remove these little covers on top of the wiper arms, and underneath these covers there will be 16mm nuts. Mark or take a picture of which wiper arm goes onto which side so you do not get confused when you're refitting. Remove the two nuts. If it gets stuck, you can spray some WD-40, but basically you'll need to just wriggle the wiper arm till it gets loose and comes off. And then open the bonnet, and over here you'll need to remove these clips to remove the trim. These vehicles have two wiper motors, one on the left and one to the right. If they are both not working, I wouldn't think that the wiper motors are faulty. This is because if one of them is faulty, that means that for instance, the right wiper motor won't work. But if they are both not working, it will be kind of a big coincidence that they became faulty at the same time. So once you remove the clips, pull this trim off. I won't be removing both wiper motors as there's the same process for both sides, but let's just say you need to remove the right wiper motor. This is what you'll need to do. So you can pull off the trim. So you can see over here, behind that cover is the wiper motor. It's held on by four 10mm nuts. We're going to be removing this little cover here partially. So if you want to remove the right wiper motor, just remove the clips on this side, and to just partially move out of position this cover. It's the same process for the left hand side. It's just I don't want to show both sides when they're both the same process. Now you can pull this cover down, and then you can see the nuts to the bottom as well, the 10mm. Go ahead and remove all four of these. Now this cover, you'll need to first pull it out. It's flexible, so pull it out to detach, and then you'll need to lift it upwards to release it from the wiper motor. As you can see, once this cover is off, there's two 10mm bolts that hold the wiper motor in place and also the plug. Remove the two 10mm bolts. And then unplug. You can wriggle it out first, or you can unplug first. It doesn't really matter, but I'll show you how to unplug. You'll need to pull onto this part over here, and then once you lift that part up, it unclips, and then you can pull the plug off, and then you can wriggle the wiper motor completely out and replace and refit. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.